Hello my students, I'm so excited to be with you again to continue the lessons. Okay, in the previous lesson we talked about the present simple, that we have three forms of present simple: positive, negative and question. We explained all of them, and let me remind you, okay, the rules of present simple. We have present simple, okay, let me show you. With a positive sentence, we said that with a subject should be he, she, it, and one name, okay. And for verb, it should be is or es. We put is or es to the verb, and we have complement. This is for a positive sentence. For example, she likes apple. He gets up early. Naz goes to school. Look at the verb. We add is or es to the verb because we have he, she, it, and one name. Okay? And for negative, we said that subject doesn't, verb base, complement. We put doesn't between subject and verb base. The verb should be verb base. Okay? For example, she doesn't like apple. Look at the verb. It is verb based because we have doesn't. If we have doesn't for negative, the verb should be verb based. He doesn't get up late. Also, we have get. It's a verb based. Okay. For question, also we have. For question, also we put does at the beginning of the sentence, and we have subject, verb base, complement, and question mark. Okay, for example, she like apple. Look at the verb. It should be verb base because we have does. If we have does for question and doesn't for negative, the verb should be verb base. Okay, the answer, it will be shorter. Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Does he get up late? Yes, he does. Or no, he doesn't. Okay. And look at this one. It's it's about with the sound, the j sound. Okay. For example, oranges, juice, jam, jug, jump, sandwiches. Okay. And this is for about also present simple. We have two options. You can choose one of them, okay, correctly. For example, he gets up at 6:30 or he gets up at 6:30. Which one right? Of course, gets up. It's right, okay, because we have he. If we have he, we put is to the verb. Okay, he doesn't go to school or he doesn't go to school. Which one right? Of course, the first one, go to school, because we have doesn't. If we have doesn't, the verb should be verb base. He doesn't have lunch or has lunch. Which one? Of course, the first one, have lunch, because we have doesn't. If we have doesn't, the verb should be verb base. Okay? Keep it in your mind, please. Yeah. Okay. And this is about Larry. Okay, let me read for you. Lazy Larry gets up late. Okay, we have one name, Larry. Should be verb, should be, we put is or es to the verb because we have one name. Lazy Larry gets up late. He doesn't go to school. We have doesn't. It means that the verb should be verb base. He doesn't sing. He doesn't have fun. Also, we have sing. We have fun. He doesn't laugh. He doesn't run. Okay, also we have doesn't. The verb should be verb base. He sits on the sofa. Look at this verb. We put is or es to the verb because we have he. He sleeps all day. You're crazy, crazy. Get up and play. Okay? Please keep it in your mind. Okay, in this revision 3 we have lots of words. You can make it to a sentence, different sentence. Okay, for example, I go home. I go home. Or she likes grapes. Okay, she doesn't like cheese. Okay, you can make many sentences. Okay, play the game. This is the play a game. Okay, leave it and go to unit 12. Unit 12 lesson 1, it's also about present simple, and it's about positive and negative. Okay, we explained it very well, the rules of negative, positive, negative, and question. Okay, please memorize all of them with spelling. Okay, memorize these pictures and spelling, with spelling. We have sleep. Okay, get up early, get up late, make your room. Okay, make your bed, tidy your room, go to the bazaar. Sleep, get up early, get up late, make your bed, tidy your room, go to the bazaar. Okay, memorize it please, my student. If I say okay, I make my bed, I make my bed, or she say I tidy my room, and he say I don't get up late. Okay, it means that if we change this subject to she, it will be what? She tidies her room. Okay, tidies her room. Or if we change this I to he, it will be he doesn't get up late. He doesn't get up late. Okay, it's very easy. Just be careful and listen to me. Okay, okay, in these pictures we have two persons and they are talking about what they have. Okay, Soma and Shivan get up early. We have two names. Okay, Soma and Shiva. It means that we have, if we change this subject to pronoun, this names to pronoun, it will be they. Okay, Soma and Shivan get up early. Okay, they make their bed. Look at this verb. It is verb base without is or es, because we have they. With I, we, you, they, the verb should be verb base without s. They make their beds. Ben and Polly don't get up early. Ben and Polly don't get up early. Okay, we have also two names, Ben and Polly. It should be don't. With they don't get up early. If you have one name, we should say Ben doesn't get up early. Okay, hello Polly, hello Ben, let's go to the bazaar with my mom. My big sisters don't go to bed late. We have two sisters. Okay, my big if we have one name, for example, my sister, my brother, my father, my mother, it should be verb, we put s or es to the verb. But in this sentence we have two sisters, my big sisters. Okay, don't go to bed late, we should say don't. Okay, because we have two sisters. My big sisters go to bed at 9, but they don't read, they don't sleep, they talk and they talk all night. Okay, Unit 12 lesson 3 also we have O sound, O, sofa, old, yo-yo, nose, home, goat. Okay, we have O sound, O. Okay, and look at this. Okay, we have Soma. Soma tidy or tidies her room. Which one right? Of course tidies, because we have one name. Soma tidies her room. It means she tidies her room. Soma and Shivan don't. We have they. They don't get up late. Of course. Okay, Soma and Shivan don't get up or get up. Which one right? Of course, the second one is right because we have two names. Soma and Shivan don't get up late. Ben doesn't get up early or gets up early because we have Ben one name and we have doesn't. The verb should be verb based because we have doesn't. Ben doesn't get up early. We can't say it's wrong if you say Ben doesn't get up. Okay, if we have doesn't, the verb should be verb based. Okay, Ben and Polly make or makes their bed. Ben and Polly. Of course, we have two names. It means that we have they. They make their beds. Okay, I hope you get benefit from this video and see you soon, inshallah.